and sweet. B is for banana, a tasty treat. C is for cherry, small and red. D is for dragon fruit, spiky instead. E is for elderberry, tiny and round. F is for fig, where sweetness is found. G is for grape, bunches to eat. H is for honeydew, juicy and neat. I is for Indian fig, pear-shaped fun. J is for jackfruit, big in the sun. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemon, sour and clean. N is for mango, juicy delight. N is for nectarine, a fruity bite. O is for orange, citrus and bright. P is for pineapple, tropical and light. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. R is for raspberry, fresh in the air. S is for strawberry, sweet and red. T is for tangerine, small and well fed. U is for apple fruit, funny and neat. V is for flamingo, a rare treat. W is for watermelon, juicy and cool. X is for egg-tigua, like a watermelon jewel. Y is for yellow passion fruit, oh so sweet. Z is for zucchini, though it's more veggie. Now we sung our 3 ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?